Alright, this is my computer, and today I'm going to be installing some an extra fan and some lighting for just decorative purposes, I guess. These are cold cathodes. They're green. This is a blue LED strip. It's about 2 meters long, and I can wrap it around the inside of the case. There's a few LEDs already on this case. It's an Antec 902 version 3. Top fan has LEDs. The two front ones have LEDs. The one on the back has LEDs, and my CPU fan has a green LED. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, I'll be unpackaging the cold cathode light. That's pretty much it. Alright, so all together, this is the cold light cathode. Starting from here, it splits off into the power connectors, the 4 pins, then it's the sound unit, and then to the lights. So I'm going to run it from here. I'm going to move this out of the way and run the power lines into the back of the case, and I'm going to run the sound and place it someplace down here, and then have the lights go off wherever I'm going to put them from there. Alright, everything's nice and tight. Now to show you in the back, this is the power cable for the cold cathode light. These are all the other cables. It has a pretty good amount of room on this case. It's about 1 inch or so, half an inch in some places, but lets you run the cables pretty nicely. Alright, I'm going to start with the top one. Mount it up there. I'm sticking on the Velcro. That is one. Alright, that's mounted. Run the cable down, and it plugs in to one of these. Now the next one. Alright, so to give you a better look inside, here's the one light. I ran it down. I had it zip tie underneath this one, right about here, and then I took the excess cable from the bottom one and wrapped it up, and then plugged it in to the sound picking up device. The line runs back behind the power, and then up and into here. Alright, next I'm going to be installing the sleeve LED kit from NZXT. It's a blue one, so it'll match the blue LEDs that already come with the case. Alright, so I'm going to take the power cable and plug it in over here. Make sure it's in there good. And then I'm going to take the LED strip and and plug it in over here. So there you have it. You have the LED cable coming out through here, the power cable over here, and now I'm planning on mounting it up here. This slot is going to be open when I run the crossfire, because a crossfire, it'll run from this slot up here and take up these two slots in the back. Alright, just to give you an idea how I ran this, it starts here and it comes down this way and then up, around, pretty much all the way. In this corner I routed it this way, then it goes back there and runs along the back right against the case wall. Gets down to here, pulls across, under, and then I just ran it continually up, and I zip tied it right here. Alright, so the fan just snapped right in there. I didn't even need to use the screws. It already had like a piece of plastic that would come up, and I guess I could put the screws in if I want to, but I mean it's held on there pretty good. I'm gonna run this cable to the back the same way that I ran the cable for the cold cathodes, pretty much behind the power supply. Alright, so we got it all set up. Now we're going to turn it on, see what it looks like. Really nice. Now let's see what it looks like without the green cathode on. Flip the switch in the back. And now we just have a blue case. Lights around the edges. The fan is green. Everything else is blue. Now let's try to mess with the intensity. This is the lowest setting. It's really dim, still looks good. The medium one and the high. We could turn that one off. This is what it looks like without any of the LEDs on. Just the fans. Try with just the green. Brightens up everything. And now the blue LEDs.